It's lost in the sea or something like that.
Can I try?
What the heck is his name? Martin. He is going to
Martin
have
Lawrence?
his daughter married. His daughter is going to be married. He's white. What the heck is his name? Diane Keaton and his daughter are going to be married. He is going to be the
Father-in-law? Father of the bride?
yeah. He plays on the big piano. He
Really?
jumps on the big piano.
What's every track?
Round?
Alright.
Tom Hanks' first movie. Instead of being small, he is
Big.
yeah.
What's in the
what
sky?
I think we all are.
UFO.
Beautiful?